Any mention?
Yes, please, Your Lordship, in item number 7 of the hearing list, I was just speaking to my friend. I'm for the respondent here. It's that matrimonial dispute. And there's a criminal petition. My learned friend has filed a 482 application for quashing of certain proceedings. We were hoping for Lordship's.
Was that matter which was heard at some length?
Lordship, yes. On that section 200-202. If Lordship permit, this matter can be placed for mediation. My client has expressed, because of the prolonging nature of the dispute, she would like to try and settle this matter. If Your Lordship's permit, the matter can be sent to the mediation. We'll make an attempt to try and settle it.
So you want this matter to be sent for mediation?
Lordship.
Okay. The learned counsel appearing for the parties have made a submission that there is a likelihood of settlement of the matter, likelihood of amicable settlement of the matter between the parties. No, but then if that is their thing, mediation is needed for this thing. If you can't you do it by yourself?
May not be easy for us, because on one of the last occasions, another matter which is sent for mediation. You know, they're trained mediators, it helps.
Okay, and if the matter is sent for mediation, the same would help the settlement. Give a paragraph in view of the submissions made and considering that the matter pertains to a matrimonial dispute, comma, let this matter be referred to the High Court Mediation Committee.
Yes.
So that an endeavor can be made with a request. Just so the endeavor can be made to have an amicable settlement in the matter between the parties.
Lordship, I'll leave it.
It's a nice thing if you also help. You see, like the lawyer's role, this court feels is lawyer's role is much more important than any other thing.
Precisely. They've expressed their desire to try and settle it. So it's best if we just make an attempt.
A little bit give and take.
Yes,
on this
yes,
side,
yes.
We're also trying.
Yes, please.
I'll leave it.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 5, Your Lordship. Sir, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Item 5.
Your Lordship.
Yes, who is the other side?
I'm for the private respondent here.
I'm for JTPC, Your Lordship.
This is what? This is
appointment of Nokma.
You are the president of Nokma.
Lordship, I am.
Any objection?
I have no objection.
When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes, that is a request made on behalf of the petitioner and this matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
I will oblige. May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 15. My lord, this case is still pending on the division bench.
Just say the request made by the parties, list this matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks?
Yes, my lord.
3 weeks. Highly obliged.
May it please Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 from the hearing list. I am afraid this matter may be taken up after 2 weeks.
Who is the other side?
No objections.
Yes. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
The appellant makes a request for grant of some time. The state has no objection. The request granted. List after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, another matter is item number 11. Here we'd like to withdraw the criminal petition, Your Lordship.
Yes, that is the best thing to do.
Withdraw.
Yes, item 11. Just Mr. Roy, learned counsel acting for the petitioners, on instruction submits that petitioner does not wish to press this application and prays for withdrawals. Give paragraph. In view of the submissions, comma, this criminal petition stand dismissed on withdrawal. Yes, hello.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2. A joint request, Your Lordship.
Yes, what happened?
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is unavailable.
You are the main respondent here. You are the contesting main respondent or the state. Who is the contesting respondent here?
Yes,
Yes,
Your
Mr.
Lordship.
Sengupta.
My lord, the
The
AG
AG
office
is-
is the main contestant.
Yes, the
AG, Accountant
Yes,
General
Your
is the main.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Just say on the joint request made with the parties. When do you want it?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
List on the joint request made with the parties. List this matter after 3 weeks. Yes.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention, I beg to make a mention of item number 3. The conducting counsel is will not be available.
This is the other side.
I'm appealing for private respondent.
And who is appearing for district council? There. Yes.
No objection, your lordship.
Why no objection?
No objection on that.
Yes. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
Just I had the request made on behalf of the petitioner. List this matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to pray. I beg to pray for the same prayer for item number 4. Item number 4.
Settled remand. Service matter.
Service matter.
Yeah. Dismissal. Against dismissal.
Not dismissal, madam.
Then
He's claiming for he's claiming to be a sanctioned teacher, madam, which he is not.
otherwise he is in service or he is not in service.
No, he's in service.
The school concerned is a grantee night school.
Yes, madam.
And who is appearing for the school managing committee? Anybody?
School managing committee, my lord, newly implemented, so they are yet to enter appearance, my lord.
Is it pending for service report?
No, service report is complete, my lord. Service report is complete. They have also received, my lord. I got the information.
But then none has entered
My
appearance.
lord, they are likely to engage a counsel, my lord. That much information I have.
So you have inside news.
My lord, that was the...
Okay. Any objection?
No objection, my lord.
Yes. Item 4. 2 weeks. Same order at the request of the petitioner. Yes.
Highly obliged. May I please, your lordship? I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 12, your lordship.
Yes.
I pray this matter may come off after 2 weeks, your lordship.
No objection, your lordship.
No interim order here.
Your lordship.
Any interim order here?
Yes, there is an interim order, your
You are
lordship.
not affected by that.
No, your lordship.
There is a stay of the proceeding.
Yes, your lordship. Your lordship, there's a civil dispute also, your lordship. There's a private respondent
That's
also.
145
Yes.
proceedings. There is any private respondent in this matter?
Yes, your lordship, there is a private
Appearing,
respondent.
they are appearing.
They've appeared on several occasions, your lordship.
Now today they are not
No, they're not here today, your lordship.
here also. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, your lordship.
This also 2 weeks at the request of the petitioner. Yes.
Much obliged.
Obliged, lordship.
please, your lordship. First,
Yes.
back to mention item number 8, lordship.
Item
9,
8.
10. Similar matter, lordship. 8, 9, 10.
Yes.
8, 9, 10.
So, lordship, I pray for 2 weeks, lordship, because on behalf of
These are all
respondent
connected
number 4.
matters.
Yes, lordship.
Connected, madam.
Is that issue? What is the issue involved here?
It's regarding the
Questioning of FIR, lordship. It's a petition for questioning of FIR.
Of what piece?
Crossing of FIR.
Of a year. What is the offence alleged?
Misappropriation of fund.
No interim order here.
No interim.
You are appearing for?
respondent number 4, lordship. In all the matters.
Respondent number 4 is the complainant.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. Yeah, a request has been made by the learned counsel appearing for this number 4 to adjourn the matter by
Yes,
how long?
lordship. 2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks. The learned counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Prayer allowed. List of 15 minutes. Authorized, Lordship.
During causeless, item number 1.
May it please the Lordship. On the last date, the respondent number 5 had prayed for time to file objection in this matter, Your Lordship.
Yes, who is appearing? Yes, what happened to your objection?
No objection.
One equal will file it. Okay. The learned counsel for the respondent number 5 prays for grant of further warnings time for filing objection in the matter. Prayer allowed. List after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Hearing, item number 13.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, on the last occasion we had prayed for time to file an affidavit, an objection, your lordship. I'm praying for 2 more weeks time, your lordship.
What is the matter about?
482, your lordship.
482. Seeking quashing of?
Quashing of an order where an application for discharge, your lordship.
Certain sections, my lord, were dropped, and my lord, the court my lord, directed to proceed in certain sections, my lord. That is
Okay.
of grievances.
So it was partly allowed or partly not allowed?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Basically, my lord, it was a violation of 144, and subsequently, my lord, certain IPC other sections also were included.
So it's a violation of the prohibitory order?
Yes, my lord.
Offence under 188?
188, my lord. And along with that, my lord, 141, 143, and other section also, my lord, was included.
You are creating riot.
That's what that is the allegations, my lord.
Very dangerous, man.
3 persons. And interestingly, my lord, only 3 persons arrested, my lord.
So 3% cannot cause?
It can be, but my lord, they'll have to show that, my lord, I was part of the lawful assembly.
What is your ground? What is your principal ground of challenge?
First, my lord, the very ingredient of 141 is absence, my lord. And if there was any unlawful assembly, my lord,
Your lordship, there was an assembly of 25 to 30 boys, your lordship.
They say,
where only 3 were apprehended.
They say, my lord. Now, there were police personnel deployed.
What they say, that has the primacy at this stage. At the stage of quashing.
But, my lord, some materials,
at the stage of quashing, your say is not much important.
Absolutely, my lord. But
it is what the
but some substance, my lord, whatever gathered in the evidence, they'll have to show our involvement in the, my lord.
Prima
facie, my lord.
And you see, it's enough if there is any allegation against you and if there is something.
114, my lord.
To say that there is nothing on record.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, the witnesses also, they said that some scooty was burnt and that person was passing by. No evidence of that particular person recorded. No evidence of.
The scooty was burnt.
Yes.
The scooty was there, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. Scooty was burnt. Scooty's the person who was riding the scooty was there. His evidence not recorded, my lord.
See, sir, supposing if his evidence is not recorded at the stage of investigation, does it mean that he cannot be?
But privacy, it has to be shown, my lord. It's completely.
Can it be ground for interfering at this stage?
My lord, I'll satisfy the honorable court, my lord. We'll let the state respond, file the response.
So you see, like if you raise this kind of things, things will become more interesting.
My lord.
That way, we will also come to know many. We will also learn many. Now, these are the things I have seen that many cases this has been raised.
Absolutely.
That even the witness, the person who was available, was not examined, and all those things. But then, does it mean that the prosecution is barred from bringing that witness in subsequent course of action?
That is not barred.
At least to say shut down prosecution or to the case of the prosecution at this stage because of that may not be correct.
It is something has to be there, my lord. The prima facie, there has to be some materials, my lord, to proceed against these three, and there has to be.
You say that some incident has taken place,
my lord,
and they say that it was witnessed by somebody. If this witness is not named, also doesn't mean that he cannot be called. He can be.
Except the police personnel, my lord, there are no independent witnesses, my lord.
But then you want to say that
I'll try to show that, my lord, this entire case, my lord, it's completely malified, and my lord, just to show that, my lord, since such a big incident happened.
Why malified? What was the
just to show
there
my
was
lord,
a curfew that was imposed, your lordship. From where will we get independent witnesses, your lordship?
Oh, it was in the curfew.
Yes, your lordship. And it was in the early hours, your lordship.
Anyway, then file objection since that's what is allowed filing of objection.
It's
This kind of
482 mallet.
objection
It's
may not be
normally
necessary,
482 mallet. It's not
Not
filed,
necessary.
since my
So you are
my-
interested to proceed.
it's my friend is praying.
Will-
Let them file.
Yes. No, if no, it's okay. If,
Let them file,
so
madam.
supposing if you are interested, then we'll just wait.
Let them
Until
file,
unless their reply is needed, we will not ask them. You have to
Correct.
first establish it.
Correct, madam.
We may not ask her any question.
Absolutely, madam. In that case, then, madam, let it come after vacation, madam. After puja vacation, madam.
No, that is okay. Since already there is an order allowing them to file an
Yes,
objection.
my lord. It is there.
Whether it is material or immaterial, let the objection be here. Yes. MS I lingua, London GA. Praise for grant of further time for filing an objection on behalf of the state in the matter. Mr. Panthi, Learned Counsel is appearing for the petition as an objection. Allowed? List after?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You file it, just do not keep it pending for
Yes,
this.
Your Lordship. We'll be filing it within this week itself.
Yes, list after.
My lord, if I may let it come after vacation, my lord. After puja vacation, my lord.
It's coming, it will automatically come up with this. What is
Lordship.
the date today?
Today's
Today's 23rd, madam.
Anyway, let it be after 3 weeks then.
Yes,
first.
Your Lordship.
You make it after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 14.
Yes.
My lord, I humbly pray if the matter can come up after 3 weeks, my lord.
Yes, what happened to the matter pending before the division bench?
It's still pending, my lord.
It's pending.
Yes, my lord. Last occasion it came, your lordship, and
Because we cannot pass any order.
absolutely.
It not be proper.
Yes, my lord.
You just said the request made by the parties. When? After 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
Mr. Khan, it's 3 weeks.
Lordship.
You have requested by the parties. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged, my
Because
lord.
you have to take permission from the DV.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
And if you get that permission from DV, then this matter will be carried fractures. And if you fail to do it, then this court also cannot help. This court also cannot help.
My lord.